I just came up with that bracket. The bolts I bought it at Lowe's. You gotta have a long thread or a good size. I believe it's 2.5. I didn't have a puller, so that would do it. It's coming out. I gotta back and screw some more. Yeah, when doing timing belt, always change the front seal. Got them out. Don't forget, you always want to apply the grease in between this groove before you install. It should look something like that. You want to give a little time when you crank the engine, it doesn't burn the seal or the circle ring around it. But don't put the grease outside. I just use this pipe, tap it in. Bearings are bad on that. I got a new one. Right, here's the new one. I got the water pump loose. So what you gotta do, you gotta transfer the bolt to the new one, because you want to put the bolts back where how you got it out. Just like that. That way you don't forget. Because I intend to forget sometime. That pulley, I gotta take that pulley out. Still looks pretty good. Look like it's original. That's metal. The one I ordered is paper. That's paper. But so this one should be original one. But you know, for the mileage being so high, I mean, it's got to be replaced. All right, let's get this cleaned up and install the new pump. All right, I got the water pump installed.